I'm Sherry Kinsey. I'm a production associate at Morgan Truck Body. I'm at the very beginning of putting everything together. We have to follow the work order to see what each customer wants on their trucks. But in general, we do the chrome on the outsides of the sidewalls and build doors or rub rails. And then from there, then we send it over to the linemen and they do what they need to do on the inside of the walls. My position, it's easy for someone to come in and learn. I had no background for this type of job, so when I came in, they worked with me to learn what I needed to do, and I thought, hey, they want a woman doing this job. I had to learn it all, and I'm one, if I can do it, anybody should be able to do it. I was with my granddaughter, and I would look for the trucks, and it's like, there's my truck, I built that. I enjoy seeing my finished product out on the road. The training that I had gave me what I needed to learn my job, to understand my job, and accelerate at my job. There's room for growth if I want to move up in the company. If anyone out there is wanting to come to Morgan, it's a great place to work, great people, great training, and it's a great place to grow. I'm happy that I came to Morgan.